Today we are going to look at basic sentence diagramming. Basic sentence diagramming starts with the subject and the verb. Most basic sentence diagrams start with a single horizontal line, the baseline, and a single vertical line, the subject-verb line. The baseline is a part of the diagram that everything is connected to. The subject-verb line separates the complete subject from the complete predicate. Basically, anything to the left of the subject-verb line is part of the complete subject, and anything to the right of the subject-verb line is the complete predicate. Now that we understand the base of a sentence diagram, let's move on to the words that make up the sentence. Dogs run. The first example is very simple. It just has a simple subject, dogs, and a simple predicate, run. The subject goes on the left, the predicate or the verb goes on the right, and my sentence diagram is done. Now, let's look at what we do if we add adjectives and adverbs to the sentence. Adjectives and adverbs modify other words in the sentence, which means they connect to those words in the sentence. Their placement in a sentence diagram is no different. They are placed on top of a right slanting diagonal line that extends from the word that it modifies. So we have the sentence, the dark brown dog runs quickly. Now, as we just learned, our subject goes here, our predicate or our verb goes here. The is an article modifying dog. So we place it on our first diagonal line coming off of dog. Then we have brown, which is an adjective modifying dog. So it goes on our next diagonal line off of dog. The two words I am left with are both adverbs modifying different words in the sentence. Dark is modifying brown. Notice it comes off of brown and not dog. It is not a dark dog, it is a dark brown dog. So we have to make sure we place it correctly in the sentence. And then we're left with the other adverb, quickly, which is modifying our verb, so it goes on our last diagonal line. That's it. Those are the most basic components of sentence diagramming. Notice I placed all modifiers in my diagram from left to right in the order that they were in the sentence. Also, I kept all capitalization from the original sentence in my sentence diagram. And that's it. That's the basics of sentence diagramming.